Final Destination 2. Let me just jump over this. What? Ah! Okay, we're in the middle of the traffic. Start the car, dude. Okay. Yo, chat. Look at this view. Look at this view. What? My mobile phone, chat. Wait, my phone. Ah! Ah! Help! Ah! Ah! Uh, yeah, blah blah. What was that? Let me just check it out. What? That was just a dead body. What the hell? Oh my god, an earthquake! An earthquake! The earthquake! Ah, the roof! The roof is crushing us! Ah, 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 ah. Let's fly this thing. Yeah, let's go, I guess. Why are you waiting for? I mean, the gas is kind of low, don't you think? F it. Who cares about the gas prices nowadays? Wait. Yeah. Ow! I told you we lost power, but it's still going. Ow! What's the guy's? Wait. Ah! What? What's happening? Ah! It ran out of gas. Oh! We're falling from the sky like a paradise. Dude, I told you this was not a good idea. Yeah. I'm gonna die anyways, and I... Oh. No! Do you have a problem with my mom? Yeah. What's the problem with her, you dummy? I'll right hook you in the chest. I'll left hook you. I'll uppercut you. I'll break your bones one by one. No, I will. I'll near. This is so equal. I'm getting mad. Aren't you a part of the Soviet Union? Ow! Dummy. Ha ha ha. That I didn't even feel anything. I'm feeling a bit sober. Let's hit the gas. Ah! 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 I'm driving in my car. Ah! Drunken driving always hits the same. What happened to my vehicle? What happened? Hello, Mr. Customer. This is the electric store, and we sell car batteries, Voltramorts, and this thing which it's basically like a generator, but 10 times better. And this, ow, sorry, I keep throwing it. And this thing. So yeah, all of these combined would cost like 50,000 mil coins. What about that Tesco Locoyo thing, whatever it's called? Oh, that's like 30K. Oh, so? Dad, what happens if I activate this thing? Don't activate anything. Yeah, right. I don't trust you. I only trust mommy. I'll whip you. What does this do? Ah! 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 Owie! Ah! Oh my god! Diamonds! I've been waiting for this time all my life. Boing! What? It's flying out of my hand. I mean, I could tell. Ah! It bounced! What? It bounced! This thing is such an annoying pickaxe. It keeps bouncing off of this thing. Like, ow! Ah! Ah! Ow! How's this thing keep bouncing? Ah! Ow! Get this thing off of me. Ah, I need that diamond. I just keep. I'm falling. Yeah, can you nail that brick wall? It's it it keeps falling off sometimes when there's an earthquake. Okay, Mr. Idaho man. Whatever you say. I think it's nailed. Oh no, my crowbar. Your what? Ow, it's are you okay? I'm just. Yeah. Ah, I slipped. Oh, thank God. Why is the floor so slippery? I'm about to slip again. Oh, jeez. The floor is so slippery. Ha! Ow! My mouth is Thank God, ow. The wall is slippery too. Ah! Wait, stop! Uh. Mom, are you okay? Can you make me breakfast? Dude, shoot me with that bazooka. I bet I could dodge it any time of the day. Are you sure about this? They have this on CCC camera, right? Yeah. Well, I'm not doing that. I know you're suicidal. Just do it. I want to just oral farm. Whatever you say, dude. Whatever you say. Hey, you dodged it? Dude. I think that's not aura farming. Haha, I guess. Yeah, you're getting the death sentence for murder, and you're not allowed to own that in Melon City. Only the soldiers can have that. Okay, I put it down. Okay. Well, follow me. Where? Just follow me or else I'll shoot you. Okay, dude. So what will be your last words? Officer, I didn't murder him. He told me to. And you're gonna listen to him? Are you stupid? That still counts as murder. You're gonna regret this. Yeah, just like your mom regretting birthing you. That was too harsh. I don't give a caca because I've been doing this for like 17 years. Okay. You got electrocuted. Wow, this view is absolutely amazing. I bet I could backflip. Ooh, I'm doing it for my first time and ever. Yoo! Woohoo! Ah! Okay. So I'm gonna do a backflip again. That wasn't so hurting. It just stabbed right through me, I guess. I think I was a little bit late. I might actually die. Yep, I'm gonna die. Help! Help me! Okay, let me throw this thing and dunk it. Yeah! Yes! I'm so cool. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It crushed me. Help! Damn! Dude, what does this thing do? I mean, it's a potion. Why don't you drink it? This, me drinking it? Yeah, right. It says it has like a radiation. What do you mean radiation? You know radiation? I'm gonna stay back. I don't want to be incinerated. You're just a scaredy cat. Gulp, gulp. Ah! Dude, wake up. Dude, wake up. I'm gonna use you for my next science project. Heheheha. How do I start this thing? Start this thing, please. What does this button do? Nah, not really necessary. So this has to mean like this. I guess. But let's make it turbo fast. Oh yeah. This is my test driving. We're going a bit faster now. I'm happy that we're going faster. So, oh my god. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Ow. Let me go. Let me just get out. Jeez.